So did you vote yet? Well, I just did. I voted for the first time, and I'm very, very proud to say that. Hello, my name is Lamont, and this is a real estate channel. This is not a political channel, but I thought it was pretty topical, of course, as we're coming to this general election. But yes, as a hard-working legal immigrant that's been here for 20 years, who became an American citizen 2 years ago, I am proud to say that I voted. I hope my vote counts. I know it will, and I hope the outcome of this election turns positive for everybody. Most importantly, of course, is the opportunity for everybody to get a chance to work hard, provide for their family, and make a better life for themselves than perhaps they would have ever have dreamed of. But anyway, that's enough of the politics. Let's talk about real estate. So the last 3 weeks have been quite busy. I have been had a few closings, several listing appointments, but the general market has slowed down. There are fewer showings on homes in the Dallas market, and people are, of course, waiting for the election to be over. On top of that, we have unfortunately still got somewhat higher interest rates, higher relative to the last 3 years, not higher historically. And of course, we all know about how inflation can affect buying decisions, particularly big ones like purchasing a home. But what I wanted to talk about is 2025. In the Dallas real estate market, we do predict a lot of transactions going into next year. So what you want to be doing now as a buyer, and it doesn't matter if you're a first-time buyer, a move-up buyer, or a luxury buyer, or a relocation buyer coming into the market, you need to be ready. You need to get all your finances in order. You need to get your pre-approval ready, and you need to, of course, hire a realtor that not just knows the neighborhood, but that's been doing it a long time. As some of you know, I'm not from Texas. I'm from England originally. I came to America via Australia, via Canada, and spent some great time in Sydney, Australia, together with Toronto, Canada. But when I did finally plant some roots here in the Dallas market, real estate was obviously a big, big draw. But getting ready for a real estate purchase is pretty obvious. But most importantly, hire a professional, somebody that knows what they're doing, they've been in the business a long time, and can be an advocate for you and your needs, because that's all that matters. If you're buying a home, it's all about your specific criteria, wish list. You're not going to get everything. If you've got 5 must-haves, perhaps you might only get 3 or 4, but certainly it's about an agent representing you so you can have built-in equity for the tenure, how long you're going to stay in that home when you come to sell it, because inevitably you're going to sell that real estate, either to move up the chain or down the chain. So make sure a realtor's looking out for your best interest to be able to have either built-in equity or, of course, be in a neighborhood that you know is going to appreciate. On the selling side, it's very, very competitive. There's a lot of people that you should talk to about listing your home, but the best ones, obviously, are the ones that have been doing it a long time and know how to promote and market your home to the right type of buyers. Anybody can put a sign in the yard, anybody can put it in MLS. But the true art of selling is to be able to find the buyers that absolutely will be gravitated to the best features of your home. I enjoy storytelling, and I think while there's limited space in the MLS, creating a brochure that's got some extensive or extended language is really a good way of selling the features and benefits of your home. But anyway, I just wanted to jump on here to tell you the market slowed down a little bit in Dallas. We are getting ready for a big, big 2025. And if you're thinking about buying or selling a home or moving into the Dallas market, please be sure to click on the link below, subscribe to this channel, and of course, hit the notification bell so you can be made aware of new opportunities and inventory as they hit the Dallas market. Oh no, me, I'm all about work, family, of course, playing a little bit. And of course, like anybody, I've got goals and dreams too. I've got 3 kids. 2 of them are in college right now. The other one is at Ursuline Academy in Dallas. So we are constantly bouncing around between cheer activities for my youngest, fraternity activities for my middle child at Arkansas, or go to see my oldest daughter at LSU in Baton Rouge. In fact, if you've not been to a night game, Death Valley in Baton Rouge, put that on your bucket list. There's literally nothing like those games on a Saturday night down in Louisiana. So where are you on the real estate ladder? There's a lot of things that have changed in the real estate market, and even one could argue the American dream. And as a legal immigrant coming here, I can tell you that in the 20 years I've been here, I've been very, very fortunate to see real estate as an opportunity to build wealth, to build equity, not just in my primary residence, but in rental homes, in homes to flip, in a secondary home, in a lake home even. That dream has always been a cornerstone of building wealth in the United States. Going forward in the next 5, 10, 20 years, is it going to be the same? I don't know. What do you think? If you're a first-time buyer, are you feeling daunted by the idea of getting on the real estate ladder, getting on the property ladder, getting in the market? Because in the Dallas market, it's relatively expensive to get a first home. I do caution many of my first-time buyers to really, really think hard about buying a condo, particularly if there are HOA dues. What can be problematic about homeowners associations are the fact that they can be sued. Some are and some are not warrantable. And more importantly, whenever there are special assessments, it sometimes takes away from your upside appreciation opportunity. So with monthly dues, some assessments, some liability, one could argue that a 1 or 2 bedroom condo that's not well managed may not be a great financial real estate investment. So be mindful of that. Talk with a realtor. As far as a 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom home here in the Dallas market, if you're thinking about getting in the M Streets area, for example, 75206, while the medium home price might be about $435,000, the truth of the matter is it's going to cost you about almost double that to get a decent home here in the Dallas market, which I'm afraid to say is of course expensive and of course prohibits some people getting into the market. So as well as finding what you need, what you want, you need to make sure you've got the right lender. Are you ready? Do you have 5, 10, 15, 20% down payment? What about the timing? When do you need to be in that new home? And more importantly, how long do you think you're going to be there? Most people don't give that consideration, and it's really, really important to think about the tenure, how long you're going to be in that home that you're about to purchase. So these are a lot of questions you need to think about. Certainly if you're thinking about relocating into the area, and of course, if you're thinking about getting into the real estate market as a first-time buyer. But again, my name's Lee Lamont. As an outsider coming into Dallas, I can tell you it is one of the most welcoming places you can ever come to. It is, the people are friendly, there's great cuisine, there's great food, great entertainment. The Cowboys, unfortunately, are not doing as well as they should. In fact, we were at a game last week when they got absolutely crushed, unlike the LSU Tigers that are doing quite well right now. But certainly entertainment is a big part of the Dallas overall reasons to move to Dallas, I should say, together with, of course, no state income tax, rather a big draw as well. But anyway, enough of the side talk about Dallas. If you're interested in buying a home in the Dallas market, do me a favor, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us a direct message. We are here to serve you. I'm here to help provide you with my experiences as an outsider moving into Dallas, and I'd love to share my expertise if you're thinking about buying or selling a home. So until next time, cheerio.